And a most happy Sunday, everybody. Today, of course, the second day of May 2021. My name is Jewel, and this is the Weather Channel of J7409. As we check out the weather headlines for today, this, of course, is the NDFD map. We've got heavy rain and severe thunderstorms that are going to be possible across the lower Mississippi Valley today. We got a cold front that's going to bring a threat of flash flooding and severe weather across the coastal high plains today into the Ohio and middle Mississippi valleys by Monday. And then, get this, late season heavy snow to impact the northern and central Rockies through Monday. Let's go ahead and check out the severe weather that may happen today. I told you in an earlier video that western Tennessee, looking like Tuesday, may get some severe weather. It's a little bit up in the air, but there's still a very good, like 90% chance it could happen. I'm keeping up on it, and I will keep you posted. But for today, these severe thunderstorms are going to be possible to pop on up across much of the lower Mississippi Valley and the central Gulf Coast. Now, a couple of tornadoes, damaging winds, and some marginally severe hail are possible with these storms. Then we've got some strong to severe thunderstorms that should develop also over the central high plains, and large hail and severe winds are looking like the main threat for these storms. When we take a look at the tornado outlook, it is up to a 5% chance in portions of Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. Everybody else, you have a 2% chance where you see in the green. Now, so far as the severe winds, 15% chance, Louisiana, Mississippi, portions of western, right down to the panhandle of Alabama, Arkansas, also up in portions of Kansas and Colorado. And over here, I'm going to show you where the snow is going to be coming in. You guys are going to get some heavy snow. 5% chance up in Wisconsin, lower Minnesota, and portions of Iowa. Now, when it comes to hail, here is where the hail is. 15%, as you can see in the yellow, from Arkansas, Louisiana to down around Mississippi and the lower portions of the panhandle also. 15% chance of this hail that could be severe in portions of Kansas and Colorado. As we take a quick look at the European model for severe weather, you can see I have it set at 11 a.m. this morning. You can see it is coming up in Louisiana and portions of Mississippi and Arkansas, and those very places I just showed you on the other map. We will move up to around 4 p.m. this afternoon. You can see how it's going to start over in parts of Kansas, and it's going to move on along up into Nebraska and over in Colorado, down in these areas here. We'll move up to around 2 a.m. Monday morning. This streak of severe weather is going to continue because it's being pulled up by a high pressure, okay, and move on up this way. Let's zoom on up to around 8 p.m. Monday night. You can see another track of severe weather is already forming. We'll move up to around 1 a.m. in the morning, and then there for western Tennessee. As you can see, not only western Tennessee and mid-Tennessee, but for portions of Arkansas, moving up into Missouri and down in Oklahoma and Arkansas. Looking like this severe weather is going to form. We'll have to wait and see just how fast these systems move. That's going to have the greatest impact on whether you get this very, very severe weather or not. But where you see this light purple, this is very dangerous weather. I will keep you posted. I mentioned earlier we had a chance of some heavy snow coming in, and for the next 3 days, today through the 5th, where you see this red, you guys, this is the higher elevations in Colorado and Wyoming. You can see 7 to 14 inches of snow, folks. This is what you could get. And the yellow, that's probably more around the 7 mark is what it's looking like. But I wanted to bring this to your attention. Snow is going to start at some point today. And if you're in the higher elevations of Wyoming or Colorado, for the next 3 days, it's going to pile up and you could get 14 inches of snow. Now, as we take a look at my future radar for the next 1.5 to 2, 3 days, going to roll on through. You see your timestamp up front there. Well, I want to stress with all of this heavy rain that's going to be coming across multiple days of southern Texas, well, it's looking like the overall weather system, you still have a thunderstorm concern in that area. Now, for these areas of severe weather that look like could pop up today through tonight and tomorrow, expect a chance of some flash flooding. That's going to be very, very possible, along with the damaging wind gusts and the large hail and the isolated tornadoes. And it's looking like also at the same time, coming up by tonight, we got these slow-moving thunderstorms that could lead to flash flooding across these portions. I've told you, Central Plains, Texas, all over. At the same time, the higher terrain of Wyoming and Colorado, you have snow to contend with, upwards to 7 to 14 inches. And it's looking like I said, the highest should occur in northern Colorado at the highest levels by Monday evening. Everybody in these areas I showed you are under winter storm watches at this time. Now, also, the northern Rockies, you're under a winter storm watch in the higher elevations with these snowstorms as I've showed you. Now, it's looking like the biggest concern for severe weather across the region with destructive hail and damaging wind gusts are coming up with severe thunderstorms Monday that stretches from southwest Ohio and northeast Oklahoma. Overall, so far as the temperatures go, it's looking like they're going to rise above average across much of the country today, with the northern high plains being the only major exception. Now, the advancing cold front, it's going to quickly drop the temperatures to around 10 to 20 degrees below average Monday across the central Rockies and central southern high plains. High winds, low relative humidity found ahead of this front in the boundary. You know what that could produce? Critical fire weather today across eastern Arizona, New Mexico, and West Texas. And that's a check of your weather today on Sunday, the 2nd of May, 2021. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe. Click that bell and check off all to make sure you get all my latest weather videos. Also, click show more if you've got any weather pictures you would like to share with us. Scroll down, you'll find my email address to send them to, along with my collaboration partner, Andale Homestead at The Colony. You can find her link there also. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day, my friends. I thank you for everything you support me in and do for me. I just love you so much, and I thank you for everything. Peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Thanks for watching.